Hello friends, what's up? I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, in last video we discussed on how we can use different words instead of asking or saying goodbye. If you not watch that video, then here is above link. You can watch that video again. So let's we start today's video. Today I'm going to talk about how we can say thank you in different ways. Actually, when we finished our communication, while we are communicating with our friend or relative or any other person, so at that time when we finished our communication or conversation, at the last of that we say thank. Okay, we say thank. So it means that you are very thankful to him or her because your communication uh, was very good, so you say like that, it is thank you. So instead of saying only thank you or thank, can we use different words? Yes, of course we can use different words instead of only thank you, or with the thank you word we can use different word. Okay, let's we see how we can use different word with thank you word. Okay, so the first is that we regularly use thank you, but another one word that we can use, thank you so much. Thank you so much. If someone help you and at the time because you need, because you was needed and someone help you, so at the time you can say like this, thank you so much, because he helped you or she helped you, so you can say thank you. If a father or mother ask to their child, their son or baby, to get the water, then when she or he will get the water, at the time we can say thank you dear or thanks dear. Okay, thank you dear or thanks dear, this word also we can use. If you want to say more than the thank, then you can say like this, thanks a lot. Okay, it is more than the thank, thanks a lot, that you cannot conclude in one thank. Okay, so you are going to say more thank, also you can say thanks a lot, or you can say like this, thanks a ton. Okay, so you are concluding it is in ton, thanks a ton. Nowadays this is become a tradition that people or persons want speak more politely, more pleasurely, so they are using different and newly words in their communication. If you want to wish to birthday boy, then you are wishing like this, my wishes like a sky. Okay, my wishes is like a sky. So this type of newly word we can use in communication like that. Thank you word we can use like this, thanks a ton. Okay, so you are concluding thank you word, it is like a ton. Then you can use like this, thank you very much, thank you so much, like that, thank you very much. Then another one way that we can use, I can't say thank you enough, or I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough means the thank you word, it's not enough to say thank you. What your friend or maybe boyfriend, girlfriend, or relative or neighbor that who helped you so much, and at that time you are not means you are not able to give him more than only the thank you, so you can say like this, I can't thank enough, I can't thank you enough. Okay, so it's not only the enough that I can thank, it is more valuable, means your work, that is work is more valuable than the thank you word, so I cannot wish you give a only thank you, it is more. Okay, thank you word is enough. Then next way that we can say, I'm truly thankful, I'm truly thankful. This word also you can use instead of only saying the thank you. And with that word, your friend will be so delight. He will enjoy your communication skill. Then next another word that you can also use, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. This word also is a famous. This phrase is also is a famous, and more people are using, many people are using in their communication. So you use it, it will be help to you. Then another one word is that thank you again. Many times we use this word, thank you again. Okay, so this type also you can say thank you again. Then if someone delivered a speech, or someone sung a song beautifully, or someone danced on a stage, and you want to say something to him or her, so at that time you can say like this, thank, you have delivered a great speech. Okay, you can say like this, thanks, you have delivered a great speech. Or you can say like this, thanks, you have performed well. You can say like this, you have performed well. Thanks, you have performed well. So these are also new ways that you can use instead of saying only a thank you word. Another one way is that you can use this, thanks, you are here with us. Thanks, you are here with us means uh, because of some problem, or because of your arguing with each other, your friend is away from you, and now you call him or her and he is present here, so you can say like this, thank, you are with us. Okay, thanks for you are with us. That time, that way also is good, and it's very beautiful that you can use. The next word that we can use like this, many thanks to you. Many thanks to you. So this word also you can use when someone help you a lot, it was not expected, and he did lot of to you, lot of for you, so at that time you can say like this, many thanks. Many thanks. So this word also you can use in your communication. Then next word is that thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch means a lot of thanks, means so many thanks included in bunch. So you can say thanks a bunch. Then you can say it's very kind of you. You can say it's very kind of you. It means thank you. Or you can say in another way that you have saved my day. You have saved my day. When someone help you, and because of this you have saved your time, he has saved your time, he has saved your day. So without saying thank, that you can say you have saved my day, you have saved my time. So without saying thank, that you can indirectly say. Okay, next word is that a million of thanks. A million of thanks. This word also you can use in your communication. So friends, these are new ways that you can use in your communication. And why? I'm telling you in every videos. If you use in different ways in your communication, then your friend, your neighbor, your relative, your students, your teachers, staff, and all that, they will attracted to your communication skill. They will happy to talk with you. Okay, so use these different ways in your communication and make your communication very beautiful. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time.